And we got the fries. We'll try the fries first. Fries are fresh, and we'll try the first burger. This is the Asian burger. Yeah. One thing you notice directly with the brown burger is that, oh wow, look at this. Hi guys, so now we are in Inorbit Mall in Vashi in Navi Mumbai. And then we came across this Brown Burger Co, which looks like a healthier version of the fast food burger chains that we see normally. They have, what they look like having is 3 types of bread, which is a good choice. So, and they have a promo, buy 2 get 1 free on all burgers. I'm quite hungry and I wish to try the burgers, so join me and let's see what are the types of burgers that the Brown Burger offers. Okay, so what is the difference between this brown burger compared to the famous other? 1 second, huh? Yeah. I'll just give you the mic. Yeah.
सर ब्रेड का डिफरेंस है सर.
Okay.
मल्टीग्रेन है सर, और हम लोग मैदा यूज़ नहीं करते.
Okay.
इसमें व्हीट है. इसमें आपको ऑप्शन मिल जाएगा हनी ओट्स का, मल्टीग्रेन का और होल व्हीट का ऑप्शन मिल जाएगा.
Okay.
जैसे बिग बर्गर का सेक्शन है, रेगुलर बर्गर है, और ये सबमरीन है सर.
Okay. So this is what size? So can you come here and see? This is the
Regular burger.
This is the regular burger. Okay. So this is the regular burger size, and this is the submarine size. Okay. So I'm a non-vegetarian. What burger would you recommend me? If I want to buy that, buy 2 get 1 free, which one would you recommend?
I will recommend you sir Indian spice.
Indian spice. Okay. So can you do one thing for me? You help me out. You get me the Asian grill, the Indian spice, and the barbecue grill.
Okay.
Okay. And then you have any meal package with some fries or something?
Yes, 99 में सर आपको फ्राइज और ड्रिंक भी आ जाएगा.
Okay.
बर्गर के साथ.
Okay. So you give me that as well.
Okay.
Yeah. You'll just be waiting. How long will it take for the burgers to get ready?
5 to 7 minutes, sir.
5 to 7 minutes. Okay, so now we ordered 3 of their most famous burgers: the Asian grill, the Indian spice, and the barbecue chicken, and some drinks. And we'll see you in 5 minutes once the burgers are ready. So we ordered 3 types of burgers, and all 3 burgers came. There's the barbecue, there's the Indian spice, and there's this Asian something. I forgot what it is. And we got the fries. We'll try the fries first. Fries are fresh. Perfect balance of salt. And it seems like very crunchy. And we'll try the first burger. This is the Asian burger. Yeah, it's grilled. It smells nice. One thing you notice directly with the brown burger is that you don't get the heavy feeling. It feels very light, even though it's quite big. I wouldn't say that this is a small burger, but automatically you feel very light. You don't feel like you're having something with too much fats or too much oil. You feel like you're having a healthy burger. So this is the Asian one. I'll try the barbecue one, and then at the end of this, I'll be telling you which one would we recommend. Oh wow, look at this. It looks barbecue-ish, yeah. The color is really nice, dark brown. This is a personal favorite so far. I would recommend you to get the barbecue one. This is really a good choice. The barbecue one is a really good choice. But again, we have the Indian spice. This is also probably something worth trying. Oh wow, look at this. Yeah, we tried all three different types of bread. I don't know which one is which, but all three taste good. All two taste good. Let's try this one. I really don't know how they do it, but you have the authentic Indian taste in this Indian spice one. Like, you can feel like having a tandoori flavored chicken burger. I think that's the best way to describe it. It feels like a tandoori based chicken burger, so you get the best of both worlds. And I'm gonna enjoy my tandoori and my barbecue. This is the brown burger review. They are there in various cities. We'll be putting the more number of locations in our description box down below. Right now, I'm just gonna be enjoying my meal. If you get an option to try the brown burger co in the areas nearby you, or if you're entering a mall and you see this thing, brown burgers, we suggest you try it out because I'm really having a good time. I'm gonna be continuing my meal. Stay safe, keep smiling, and hope to see you next time. This is Raja from Madira Travels. Bye-bye.